Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate brand approvals in InVision by prototype workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by launching InVision and navigating to your prototype project. Open the prototype you want to work with to review brand approvals. Locate the prototype tab in the top menu and click on it. In the left sidebar, find the workflow section and select it. Click on the Add Workflow button to initiate a new workflow for brand approvals. Enter an informative name for the workflow that reflects its purpose. Set the necessary parameters for the workflow, including due dates and participant roles. Invite your team members by entering their email addresses in the designated field. Once all participants are added, click on the Create Workflow button to save the setup. Navigate back to the prototype screen and select the screens you need approved. Click on the Share button to generate a shareable link for your selected screens. Copy the shareable link and paste it into a message or email to your team for easy access. Once your team reviews the screens, they can provide feedback directly in InVision. Encourage your team to leave comments or mark screens as approved within the workflow. Monitor the feedback received by checking the comments section regularly. If revisions are necessary, make the necessary adjustments to the prototype. After adjustments, notify the team that the prototype is ready for another review. Repeat the approval process until all necessary approvals are obtained. Once approved, finalize your design and ensure all team members are updated on the completion. Document the approval process for future reference to streamline future workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.